Hi children, today let us learn about part 4 of chapter 4. Okay. Tutoon missed the train. Tutoon's school had closed for the summer holidays. He went to his grandma's place. He met a lot of his cousins there. He was enjoying himself and did not want to go back home. Okay, Tuntu's Tuntu's mother said, Tuntu, pack your bag. The train leaves at 5:30 in the evening. Oh no, we are going back so soon. I wish we missed our train. So, Suntu's wish is we miss our train. Tuntu and his parents reached the station at 5:15. But guess what? They had actually missed the train. చిల్డ్రన్ ఇక్కడ 5:30కి ట్రైన్, బట్ వాళ్ళు 5:15కే వెళ్ళారు, కానీ ట్రైన్ మిస్ అయ్యారు. ఓకే, లెట్స్ చెక్ వాట్. హుర్రే, దట్ మీన్స్ ఐ am not going back today. Can you guess why they missed the train? Let's see. Actually, the train had left at 5:30 in the morning. The train is 5:30 in the morning, but time is right only. They are confused that is morning or evening. Okay, the train is 5:30 in the morning. Tuntu's parents were upset. They asked the station master, our ticket says 5:30, but sir, this means 5:30 in the morning. Oh, yes. How could I forget that? What? Tuntu's father forgot. The railways will write 7:30 for 5:30 in the evening. Why? Because they use 24 hours clock. If any time you are going to railway station, you just check they are using 24 hours clock. Look at this chart. It tells in difference between your watch and 24 hours clock. Try to complete it. Okay children, and here you just observe this is 24 hours clock. We are saying means our normal clock is 1 2 4 5 7 8 9 10. Our normal clock is like this, but 24 hours clock we are right. 1 means 13, 2 means 14, 3 hours means 15 hours, 4 hours means 16 hours, 5 hours means 17 hours, 6 hours means 18 hours, 7 hours means 19 hours, 8 means 20 hours, 9 means 21 hours, 10 means 22 hours, and 11 means 23 hours, and 24 hours. But we will write why 00 hours. Why? Because day start here after next day. In 12 o'clock after we will say next day. In normal clock 12 after 1 we will say in normal clock, but in 24 hours clock in 12 after we will say 13. Okay, 13. So 1 to 12 noon. In afternoon 12 we will say in normal time means morning 1 o'clock we will say AM, and after that afternoon 1 o'clock 1 PM in normal clock we will say. But in 24 hours clock we will say 1 o'clock or 13 like this we will write. This is the 24 hours clock. These are the numbers. Okay children, like this here they are giving one chart for you. 3 o'clock in the afternoon 15 hours. Here 3 you just observe 15, and 3:30 in the afternoon 15:30, 6 o'clock in the evening 18 hours, and 9 o'clock in the evening 21 hours, 12 o'clock at the midnight 00 hours. We don't write 24 hours, 00 we will write. In midnight start 1 2 3 to 12. So we will write AM. Midnight to noon we will write AM. After that, noon to midnight we will write PM. AM means ante-meridian, PM means post-meridian. Okay children, next we will see. Now can you tell why 24 hours clock is called so? Suppose a train leaves at 10:30 at night. The time written on the railway ticket would be 20:30. Right there. Here you just add in 12 hours, 12 to 8, 12 o'clock and 8:30 you just write, in add 20 to 30. In 24 hours 20 to 30 they are add. In a 12 hours clock, each time comes twice in a day. Each time means 5:30 AM it will come and 5:30 PM. Morning, in morning 5:30 AM, in evening 5:30 PM. 2 times it will come. What about 12:30 in the afternoon? 12:30 PM and 12:30. And morning we will say 12:30 in 24 hours. In 12:30 AM, so 00:30. Already in 24 hours clock I will show you in 00:30 hours. Okay, that is 12:30 PM. After 12 o'clock at noon we use the PM till midnight. You must have noted the time of sunrise and sunset right here using AM PM. Time of sunrise. In this is also it can be changed in months, means January month it will come early or late, like that it will come. Okay, winter season, summer season, rainy season, okay, like that it will come. Time of sunrise 6 AM and time of sunset 7 PM. I am writing here. Where have you seen 24 hours clock being used? Railway stations, airports, etc. You just write one more thing, okay, here. And this is part 4 of chapter 4. Chapter is completed. Bye children, thank you.